into our first performance of the night for our junior section. This comes from Clevedon School. Their performance is titled All I Want, and Lily, their team leader, is going to come out and read us a little bit more about it.
Billie has everything except for what truly matters. As Christmas nears, her mind is full of wish lists and glittering gifts, but something is missing. Left alone underneath her favourite pohutukawa tree, Billie's dreams take her on a magical journey guided by two tree spirits. From the fireworks of Chinese New Year to the lights of Diwali and the starry night sky of Matariki, Billie has everything except for what truly matters.
Hey, Billie here. Mum and Dad are away. Again. I'm bored. Who wants to hang at the park?
Oh, Billie, did you have to do that?
Lighten up. You can ask for a new one for Christmas.
Bruh, Tarong is Hindu. They don't make a big thing of Christmas.
What do you mean? Everyone in the world celebrates Christmas.
Meh, Chinese New Year is bigger for us.
Aw, like Matariki.
Nah, Christmas is the jackpot. It's all about the presents, bruh.
Shoot, it's Mum. I gotta go.
Yeah, me too. Bye. Bye. Have a good Christmas, Billie. Presents aren't everything, you know.
Whatever. Losers.
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's home to me, and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone.
Your friend is right, Billie. It's not just about the presents. And people celebrate in many different ways. Come, let us show you.
What's going on?
This is the magic of unity.
Let's skip ahead to Matariki now.
are Manaya's whānau. Hurry up, Billie, we don't have much time.
Love here.
That's right, Billie. And whānau. And unity, just like the others. Merry Christmas, Billie.
Mum?
Hey darling, we'll be home soon, but while I'm out shopping, what would you like for Christmas this year?
Actually, all I want for Christmas is you.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. And I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas
Is you.
A big almighty paki paki for Clevedon School. All right, so we've got Maggie and Valentina joining us on stage. Can one of you tell us a little bit about the message you're hoping the audience is going to take home?
No matter who you are or where you're from, material things are nice and presents nice too, but nothing compares to the love, whānau and unity in your community.
Well said. And how has being part of Showquest impacted your school's community?
I think it's brought us all together and it showed everybody that no matter who you are, like what Valentina said, you belong somewhere and you are with people and everybody wants to be with someone. So I think what it showed us is to be diverse and make sure that everybody has a place in something.
Perfect. Hey, thank you girls so much. Another big round of applause. We'll see you a little bit later. Thank you.